Get ready to slay this Christmas. Hey there, holiday warriors, ready to make your home shine? Why bother? Because a tidy home will less stress and more holiday cheer. Quick peek at the awesome benefits coming your way. Let's get this party started. Set your declutter goals, dream big but keep it real. Mark your calendar, we're on a mission to beat Santa to the punch. Why starting early is your secret weapon. Living room, from cluttered to cozy. Ditch the dust collectors and free up some breathing room. Tackle those overflowing shelves and messy entertainment areas. Make space for your tree and festive decorations. Kitchen, cooking up some order. Say goodbye to expired food and hello to extra space. Whip that pantry into shape. Clear the decks for holiday baking extravaganzas. Dining room, setting the stage for feasts. Transform your dining table from catch-all to centerpiece. Get those fancy plates and linens ready for action. Plan the perfect seating chart and keep Aunt Sally away from Uncle Bob. Bedrooms, sweet dreams are made of this. Closet clean-out time, your clothes will thank you. Prep for guests like a 5-star hotel. Make room for those ugly Christmas sweaters. Bathroom, sparkle and shine. Banish the clutter monster under the sink. Restock like a boss, no more mid-shower panic. Get guest ready with fluffy towels and extras. Home office, command central for holiday cheer. Wrapping station setup, you'll be a gift wrap ninja. Clear the decks for Christmas card central. File away the boring stuff and make room for fun. Declutter like a pro. Intro to the 3-box technique, your new best friend. The one-in one-out dance, keep your stuff in check. Channel your inner Marie Kondo. If it doesn't spark joy, say bye-bye. Storage hacks to make your life easier. Space-saving ideas that'll blow your mind. Label like there's no tomorrow, future you will be grateful. Clever ways to hibernate those holiday decorations. Speed cleaning, because you've got better things to do. Quick and dirty cleaning checklist for each room. Green cleaning solutions that Mother Nature would approve. Time-saving tricks to make cleaning less of a chore. Keeping the tidy train rolling. Daily and weekly habits that'll keep chaos at bay. Get the whole family on board. Teamwork makes the dream work. The golden rule, a place for everything and everything in its place. Holiday prep station. Create a gift wrapping wonderland. Set up Christmas card HQ, get ready to spread some cheer. Designate a spot for incoming gifts and cards, no more, where did I put that? Digital declutter, because your phone needs love too. Tame those wild photo albums and unruly files. Cool apps to keep your holiday planning on point. Back up your stuff, because nobody wants to lose those embarrassing family photos. Wrap it up. Quick recap of our decluttering adventure. You've got this. Time to put those tips into action. Wishing you a clutter-free Christmas and a tidy New Year.